hope you may find now. This is Sankant. Welcome back to my YouTube channel @Chandrakant. I will see you that some art material I am already ordered in Amazon. You also see this product. I will describe what I am ordered from Amazon. So let's come and first of all I opening this product. This product is Bristol paper, which is suitable for pencil shading and also ink work, line drawing. So I want to opening this. Please see. I am very excited for this product because I am before 10 days it will be ordered from Amazon. You also see this Bristol smooth surface and Bristol paper also we can do in this paper, pen and ink work. You also see this type of work we can done. So very soft paper, you can see, very smooth. And if you want to draw a drawing and portrait, then after you can cut it. Very smooth. This paper price is costly, minimum price 700. So it will be better for pencil shading. ओडिया रे गोटे कथा अछि, जदि आपण जेते खर्च करिवे सेते पाइबे. जदि हमें कॉस्टली पेपर किनी काम करिवार इच्छा अछि तो हमें भलो काम करि परिबा, तो भलो शेडिंग दे परिबा, लाइन वर्क करि परिबा. Very excited for this product. Once upon a time when I am see the work of dry pastel in Facebook and Instagram, I am very excited when I am doing this. Finally I got it, and you also see this very carefully preparing for dry pastel. Wow, this one soft pastel, brighter. ये Camlin the product, and another also you can see this artist soft pastel. One is me and another is my student's Vijay. So guys, it also opening. First of all, I opening the colors. The packaging system was so good. I hope you may order this, and I am not working in this medium, but when I am working I will obviously show you. एक स्पॉन्ज है, वो नहीं गिरने के लिए भी है, वो अच्छा भी है. और लाइट से डार्क ये जो दिख रहे हैं ना, 36 कलर सेट्स, सॉफ्ट पेस्टल, स्मूथ भी है. Friends, when I am studying in my BBA career college time, I am also used many papers in many medium, pencil color and watercolor, pencil shading. When I see Bristol paper 300 GSM A3 size paper, I am also excited to do this paper work in watercolor and pencil shading. I am already done many paintings in watercolors. For art students, when they are beginners to use papers, I also suggest you that this Bristol paper is very best for beginners. Please buy this paper and work easily and comfortable, which is suitable for them. and many paintings. You can see this. I am already done watercolor paintings in this paper, study works, portrait works. Mainly I am doing variety type of portrait. You can see this. I am also used this material for my art career, Camlin Artist watercolor tubes. You can also use this, and Dom's oil pastel also, and Dom's pencil color also. If you think that this is very costly, yes, it is costly for beginners, costly for your better work, so that I will refer you that you use this product. Thank you for watching.